Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. I want to give a shout out to Google for sending me out the Pixel 6a, hashtag Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google. I'm going to leave the unboxing till the end, but first I wanted it to go over my Pixel experience and why I love it so much. So stay tuned for the video. So a little bit about me is that I have been using the Note line from Samsung for the longest time. The last Note that I used was the Note 20 Ultra. And then I got the Pixel 5a, and then I got the Pixel 6 Pro. And coming from those types of dynamics was different, but the reason why I haven't gone back to my Note 20 Ultra is because of the Pixel experience. What I mean by that is that when you use a Pixel, it is the best experience that you can have when using the phone. And I don't mean the cameras, using video games or anything like that. I'm talking about making calls. And there's features in that I just can't get rid of. And I just haven't moved to any other phone because of it. So features like Hold for Me, Direct My Call, wait times, and lastly, my most favorite is call screening. The reason why it's so important to me is because when it comes to phone calls, a lot of people prefer to text, they prefer not to be on the phone, or when they do, it's running errands. And I run a lot of errands on my phone, and those types of features are just time savers. And the amount of time that I save with those types of features is a game changer for me. So that's why I love the Pixel experience. The reason why I'm happy to have the Pixel 6a is because it is a budget phone. At just $450 in the US, it is a really good price for what it comes with. Is it a perfect phone? No, unfortunately, no phone is perfect. If it was, then everybody would have the same phone. But for me, it definitely is the phone for me, and it might be the phone for you if you're a person who runs a lot of errands on your phone. Now, I am going to be going over in depth certain features on the phone, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe. But right now, I'll go ahead and move on to the unboxing because I know a lot of people want to see what it comes with. And what I got is what you're going to get when you get the phone, and I hope you like it. Unboxing. So this time around, the box is pretty slim. So that means that you're not going to get a brick in the box. I'll move the phone to the side to see what's underneath it. A USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-A to USB-C adapter, a SIM ejector tool, a welcome guide, and safety and warranty information. The display cover comes with a nifty guide. We'll definitely have to try out the fingerprint sensor. The display is a 6.1-inch display, and it comes with a flat panel, which I love. The back is made out of plastic, but you can't tell just by looking at it. I'm one of those weirdos that actually prefer a plastic back. On the side, there's the power button and the volume rocker. On the other side is the SIM ejector slot. At the bottom, there are 2 speakers and a USB-C port. And at the top, there's a microphone. Another thing to notice in the back is that the camera hump does not protrude as much as it did with the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. There's a 2-camera system in the back. One camera is 12 megapixels, and the ultra wide is also 12 megapixels, which is the same camera that was on the Pixel 5a. Thank you for watching and liking this video. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, more content is going to be on the way, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Catwoman out!